Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add polls on Instagram's Reels. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Instagram and you will get right here. This is our feed. So in order to create a reel and add a poll, we will have to open up our Instagram camera. So you're going to swipe and it will take you right here. At the bottom, we have live, reels, and story option. You're going to switch to reels, and I will be able to create a reel now. Let's actually go ahead and quickly record a reel. So we have a reel I recorded, and now we can move on to the next step. You can add an audio if you want. You can add like a music. You can add, filters from here. We have timer. Then you're going to click on next. Once you click on next, this is your reel. You're gonna actually click on these stickers at the top. You can see we have a bunch of other options. You're gonna click sticker. In sticker, you're gonna select poll. There you go. Now you're gonna add your question. Enter your question and your options. Click on done and it will be added right here. So this is going to be in our reel. And we have these options for the poll. Click on next and post your reel on Instagram. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.